In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the price for a product variant in Wix. Whether you're running an online store or managing a portfolio of products, adjusting pricing can be an essential part of your strategy to stay competitive and meet your business objectives. So let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. First, you'll want to head over to the Wix website, log into your account if you haven't already, and it will take you to the home dashboard. From here, you'll find yourself surrounded by a myriad of options and tools available for managing your website. Don't worry, I'll guide you through each step to keep it simple and straightforward. The first thing you'll need to do is click on Catalog from the menu. Think of your catalog as the virtual shelves of your online store where all your products are displayed and organized. Under the catalog, you'll find all the items you currently have for sale. This section helps you keep everything neat and easy to access, which is especially handy if you have a large inventory. Next, you'll need to click on the Products option. This will direct you to a list where each product is itemized and you can see all the variants you offer. Navigating to the Products section allows you to manage, edit, and, if needed, delete your products, all from one place. Once you're in the products list, you'll want to choose a specific product. Take a moment here to find the right item you wish to adjust. If you have a large inventory, making use of the search bar can speed things up, helping you pinpoint the exact product in no time. Now, with the product selected, you'll see a detail page that hosts various aspects of the item, from descriptions and images to pricing. In the dialog, you'll want to find the section labeled Pricing. This is your destination for all things related to the price tags that are attached to your chosen goods. Here comes the part where you get hands-on. In the pricing section, type in the new price you want for your product variants. This is where the magic happens. Be mindful when entering your data. Double-check to ensure that the price entered is correct so your clients aren't surprised by unintended changes. Once you've input your new pricing, remember to click on Save. This final step is crucial. Without saving your changes, all your diligent adjustments won't be applied. By clicking Save, you ensure your strategy aligns with what consumers will see when browsing your store. And there you have it. You've successfully adjusted the price for a product variant in Wix. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your product prices, giving you the flexibility to adapt to market trends and customer demands. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep optimizing.